Welcome everybody to another Sea Chest production update vlog. Josh finished up this one. This is Everett, and so he's putting together this stuff. So he's prepping the box. We got lots of pieces off the machine right here. The machine's running really good. So today we're going to be able to get done about 6 boxes. Right?
I like
6.
the optimism.
There's one here, right?
Yeah.
Everett's working on another one.
Okay.
There's another one right here. There's another one on the machine. There's another one up there. Everett's been here a couple days, and so he's been making some stock parts for us, just so that we have enough of those small components, so we don't need to slow up production. We can just keep making boxes. We don't have to stop and make extra parts. This is a little apothecary of parts here: copper handles, compasses, springs, because we use a couple springs, all of our pins, some screws. We have these, which are the little pistons that go on the side of the box. And we're getting into good flow. I don't think Everett's going to be able to come back next week as much, because he was here 3 days this week. You're not coming back 3 days next week,
Maybe, we'll see.
Okay, so I'm going to wrap it up for this episode. Thanks for watching another Sea Chest Puzzle Box vlog. So this is, it's the end of the day now, and we got this palette all done. So this is about every single part that it takes to make one Sea Chest puzzle box. That's not even all the parts, but it's most of them. So as you can see, the vacuum did a really good job of holding everything down. None of the parts came out, so that's really nice. This is number 14, so that means that we've only got 86 to go. Not bad, right? It's pretty impressive in person. It's hard to get the feel of it through the camera, but when you hold this in your hands, it's you can feel all the work that went into it, and it's pretty ornate, so I like it. This is one that's really close. Just got to put that carving on top, and we got to attach some stuff on the sides, but that one's super close. And then we got another one there that's just about ready, and plus all these parts. So it was a really good 3 days, and next week we'll come back and hit it again harder. So thanks for watching. Make sure to check back next week for another episode. Y'all have a good week, and I'll see you again later. Goodbye.